When you wake up in the morning, your body is in a delicate balance. After hours of fasting overnight, your blood sugar is naturally lower, and what you choose to eat or not eat can set the tone for your entire day. If you're trying to avoid sugar crashes, reduce cravings, or manage insulin resistance, your morning habits matter more than you think. And the best part, you don't need anything fancy. In fact, some of the most powerful foods for blood sugar control are simple, everyday items you probably already have in your kitchen. Start with something incredibly basic, but powerful: lukewarm water. Drinking a glass of warm water first thing in the morning helps jumpstart your digestion, flush out toxins, and gently signal to your body that it's time to wake up. If you'd like a little flavor and a boost in digestive support, you can add a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Just be cautious. Some people are sensitive to lemon's acidity, especially if you suffer from migraines or sinus issues. But overall, warm water is a gentle, hydrating way to set the right foundation. Next, consider a green smoothie made with vegetables like spinach, cucumber, and mint. Leafy greens are low in sugar, rich in antioxidants, and packed with fiber, all things that help stabilize your blood sugar. Unlike fruit-heavy smoothies that can send your glucose skyrocketing, a vegetable-based blend gives your body a gentle energy boost without the crash. If you're feeling adventurous, add a few chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra dose of fiber and healthy fats. It's nourishing, satisfying, and incredibly supportive of stable energy throughout the day. Now let's talk about berries, nature's little powerhouses. Whether it's blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries, they're not only delicious, but also rich in fiber and antioxidants. That fiber slows down sugar absorption, which helps prevent spikes in blood sugar. The antioxidants, meanwhile, reduce inflammation and may even improve how your body uses insulin. A small handful of berries added to your oatmeal or yogurt can make a big difference, especially if you're trying to keep cravings in check later in the day. Speaking of cravings, few foods are better at keeping you full and satisfied than eggs. They're loaded with protein and healthy fats, exactly the combination your body needs to stay energized and full without constantly searching for its next sugar fix. Scrambled, boiled, poached, it doesn't really matter. Eggs digest slowly, which means a more gradual release of glucose into your bloodstream. That means fewer spikes, more steady energy, and far fewer mid-morning crashes. Another fantastic option for breakfast is plain Greek yogurt. But the key here is plain, not the flavored varieties packed with sugar. Greek yogurt provides two crucial things: protein and probiotics. The protein supports muscle and satiety, while the probiotics help balance your gut microbiome, a factor that plays a surprisingly big role in insulin sensitivity. Choose a full-fat or low-fat option without added sugars. You can mix in a few berries or a spoonful of seeds for added texture and nutrition. The result? A creamy, satisfying, blood sugar-friendly breakfast. Now, let's move into something a little more traditional: fenugreek water. This might not be a part of your current routine, but it's worth considering. Just soak a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in a glass of water overnight and drink the water in the morning on an empty stomach. Fenugreek has been shown to improve insulin function and help regulate blood sugar levels naturally. It's a small habit with a surprisingly big benefit, especially if practiced consistently. Another staple for stable blood sugar is oats, but not just any oats. Go for steel-cut or rolled oats rather than the instant kind. The difference is in how they're processed. Less processed oats retain more of their fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which slows digestion and prevents sudden sugar surges. You can cook them in water or unsweetened almond milk and top them with nuts or berries for extra nutrition. Just skip the flavored packets. They often come with hidden sugars and additives that can derail your morning. Avocados deserve a spot on your plate too. While they're often celebrated for their heart-healthy fats, those same fats also support blood sugar control by slowing down how quickly carbs are absorbed. A few slices of avocado on whole-grain toast, or even blended into a smoothie, can help keep you feeling full and focused. It's the healthy fat and fiber combo that makes avocados so effective and delicious. And then there are nuts, those crunchy, satisfying little bites that pack a punch of fiber, magnesium, and healthy fats. A handful of almonds or a few walnuts can go a long way in balancing your blood sugar. Almonds, in particular, are great first thing in the morning, especially if they're soaked overnight. Soaking helps release their natural enzymes, making them easier to digest and enhancing their nutrient absorption. Just 4 or 5 soaked almonds can support your metabolism, curb sugar cravings, and improve satiety. Now here's the key. These foods don't need to be eaten in isolation. In fact, combining them can make your breakfast even more effective and enjoyable. Think of a yogurt parfait layered with berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds, or a slice of whole grain toast topped with mashed avocado and a poached egg. Maybe a warm bowl of oats with a handful of almonds and fresh raspberries. These combinations don't just taste good. They work together to give your body steady energy, reduce cravings, and support better insulin function all day long. The trick isn't to overcomplicate things, it's to be consistent. Start your day with real, whole foods that are rich in fiber, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Drink your water. Pick a few habits that feel easy to stick with and build from there. Your body doesn't need perfection. It just needs a bit of support and a few mindful choices. Because when your day starts right, everything feels more manageable. Your energy stays steady, your mind is clearer, and those midday sugar cravings, they start to fade into the background. All it takes is a thoughtful morning, a little preparation, and the willingness to fuel your body with what it truly needs.